So what are examples of ethics and law? Things like, this is some of the things that you already know, but also in a professional setting, like being honest all the time. You have to strive to be honest. You can't lie. You have to provide privacy, protect residents' privacy. Okay. You don't document or chat on things that you didn't do. You cannot accept gifts. You shouldn't share personal information with your residents. There are care plans in your place, in the healthcare settings. You have to follow what those care plans are. You can't go outside of that. So you see, you have a sense of duty. That's exactly what ethics is. You have a sense of doing the right thing, a sense of duty to do the right thing for your patients. You also want to keep staff information confidential. So it's not just the residents, but you want to be professional at all times, and you also want to keep any kind of information you find confidential. So a big thing is abuse. I mean, most places you're a mandated abuse reporter. You just have to you have to report abuse. You can't see abuse and think you can cover it. So these are some of the things. They're not only ethical, but they're also mandated by law that you have to do these things. So I just wanted to throw that in. Those are some of the examples, of ethics and law.